This is how you replace a hood strut on a Porsche Cayenne. There's my temporary support rod. All you really need is a small flathead screwdriver and just pry this clamp off. Just like that. This is the factory hood strut. It's made in Germany. And I'm going to be replacing it with this brand new hood strut. This is not OEM. I got this on Amazon, but I heard some really good reviews about this. There's the brand, Euro Parts, and there's the part number. As you can see, the parts are identical. Original is on the right, aftermarket on the left. They are nearly identical. And the aftermarket was about a quarter of the cost as opposed to buying from the dealership. The nice thing about these aftermarket hood struts, it has the white lithium grease on both ends. Installation is pretty straightforward. Just open up the clamp. That way it's ready to go on that ball. Okay, there's the ball socket. Slide it right on, clamp it down. Super easy. Do the same on the bottom. And that hood strut is extremely strong. It's actually surprising there's only one hood strut on these Porsches. But there you go, super easy.